is a freshman at Fordham right now, so she swiped us in to look at all this deliciousness. Whoa! This is really good combo. Nicole, thank you so much.
Thank you, Nicole.
This is Nicole. Getting coffee. Coffee time! Angie and I are hanging out. Just us two. It's a date. Oh my.
Really hard. Shoot it. You have to do it hard.
Okay, thank you. Sorry about
It's okay. No problem.
Have a great day. Have a nice day. Angie is so embarrassing. She spilled all over the counter. It's really good. This is probably the cheapest coffee. And the best coffee that we've had. Wait, that's so good. Angie and I just went to Sephora and I got this lip gloss. This Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So pretty. Angie doesn't want to be in my vlog.
Bonk.
Oh, banana pudding! Angie and I just looked at the Brooklyn Bridge. And now we're at Shake Shack because we are so hungry. We have dinner planned at 7, which is around an hour from now. But we are just too starving. So after dinner, my friends and I went to a mini golf bar, which was super cool, and the vibes were truly immaculate. We're at a mini golf bar. We decided to have 2 teams and bet on winner buying the losers a drink, so it was Eric and Sav against Angie and me. Who will win? Dun dun dun! What? Hi vlog, I just made it into 2.
I think we lost.
No, we won.
4, 8, 12, 17, 42.
42? You're lying!
Add them up.
So they got 65, 27. We have to find this. What?
Check the math.
Oh.
The 8 ball was the one. That's 40. I knew the whole 8.
Ian and Angie have to buy their drinks. Hello, Brian.
Oh, what's up?
Oh
Hey,
my
pass
God.
over here.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how's it going? What's your fandom name?
They're the yoojers.
Are you serious? Yoojers? Alright, you guys gotta work on that name a little bit, but yeah. Okay.
That's my boss, everybody. Okay, cheers.
It's actually Yoojers?
Yes.
Oh, I love it. Okay.
Cheers! Woo! A reunion.
Ah. myself.
Currently we're at the Brookfield Mall and it is beautiful. Oh, it's too bright. The mall. What is Dialga?
Dialga's the other one from Diamond and Pearl.
You guys talking about Pokemon?
Yeah, because she said it looks like Palkia.
You know Palkia?
A little bit.
A little bit.
I guess
No,
like the
I'm-
backside.
No, I
guess
think
it looks
I'm right.
less than I thought.
Show him Palkia.
No, it doesn't look like that.
Dude, it looks more like Palkia.
No, it doesn't look
Are
like
you
that.
kidding me?
I don't think it looks that
No,
much
it
like
doesn't look
Palkia.
like that.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I'm right.
Bro, shut up.
It's so funny when dogs bite its own leash.
Dialga looks like...
No, I think it's
That picture
Palkia.
was like weird.
Oh my gosh. Your face! Stepping over me. So climb over me.
Shit would go
It's up to you.
I was talking to
Your